I'm gonna be doing a honey face mask. Drop in the peptides. I'm gonna add a little more while it's blending. Now let's stop it. Dump it in the mold. We're gonna let it sit and then we're gonna try it. Oh, it's really flimsy. I'm gonna be making a peanut butter face mask. Peanut butter. Now I'm gonna let it sit and then we're gonna try it. Here we go. It's giving relaxation. Did somebody say eyeball face mask? Run it! Let's turn it on. Oh, look over here. Whoa, that's so weird. Now I'm just laying out some eyeballs. Perfect! Let's turn this off. Dump it in. I'm gonna let her cool and then we're gonna try it. Let's try it. Oh! Oh, the eyeballs fell out. Can you do a slime face mask? Like this video right now to give me good luck. I think I'm gonna mix this Nickelodeon slime with this Goofy slime. This one is really like liquid and this one's a lot more solid. Okay, let's dump in some gooey slime. Then we're gonna put in some of this slime. Now we're mixing those together. Warning, keep away from heat. Let's put it in the microwave. Now we're gonna dump it into the blender. Attempt to turn that on. Now we're gonna dump it into the mold. Now I'm just patting that in so it fills up the whole mold while leaving like the eyes open. So this is what it looks like and I'm gonna let it sit and then we're gonna try it on my face. I just put it in the fridge. Let's try it. Oh my gosh. Whatever the wheel lands on is the type of face mask I'm gonna do. Sprinkles. 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 Do you like the sprinkles? Let's go. This unicorn horn is a weapon. Now I'm just adding a drop of my blood. Wow. Peptide. Turn it on. Now I'm gonna stop and dump it on in the mold. Now we are gonna let her sit and then we're gonna try it. Here we go. Oh my gosh. It looks like a unicorn threw up. Please do a candy corn face mask for spooky season. We will give you 1,000,000 likes. Do I look festive? Let's go. I feel like this is not right. Oh, she's hot. Oh, I just spilled hot water all over the place. Oh no. So like, I guess I'm gonna just... Now I'm gonna add the water, drop in the peptide. The blender's not turning on, so I'm just gonna do it. Never mind, I fixed it. Okay, let's turn her off and dump it. Oh, that looks juicy. There's a lot going on here. Let's try it. Oh my god. Can you make a glitter face mask? Yes, that I can do. I can do that. I'm gonna be using this edible glitter. I just moved into a new apartment and I'm literally opening every cabinet to look for the measuring cups. That's not it. Bingo. 6 feet tall and super strong. She's done. Purr. I have a few different glitter packets. Okay, let's dump her in here. Dump in some glitter. She's fizzy. Let's add some yellow. Oh, wow. And one more for good measure. Drop in the peptide. Turn her on. This is so satisfying. Let's dump it in. She's so quirky. Let's do it. Oh my. Do a chia seeds and aloe vera face mask. Let's go. I have no idea how to cut this. It literally smells like canned chicken soup. The reveal. Oh, I'm just gonna scrape some out and add it to the blender. Now I'm gonna add our water and start mixing it. Now I'm gonna drop in some chia seeds and add a peptide. Now let's dump this into the mold. Now let's let it cool off and then I'll try it. Let's try it. Oh my gosh! Feels good. Can you make a matcha face mask? That I can. It actually worked! Please make a rose petal face mask and we will give you 2,000,000. Run it! We're just gonna dump this into the mold. Now I'm gonna pull off some of these rose petals to throw in. Now that I got them all off, we're gonna add them in. Now we're gonna add in our peptide. Now I'm gonna put some of the extra petals into the mold. Okay, this is what we're looking like now. And it is time to turn this off and dump it in. Now I'm gonna let it set in the fridge and we'll be back to try it. Let's try it. Okay, it actually worked, but it's like sliding off my face. Thanks for watching. Please make a glitter face mask. Let's go. Okay, so I'm dumping the hot water to the fill line. Now, I didn't know what color glitter to use, so I brought a bunch. We're gonna add a spoonful of this. Some silver flakes. A little bit of blue. And some gold. Now I'm gonna mix it around a little bit. Gotta throw in our peptide. Let's turn it on. I'll be back to try it. It's so pretty.